you have to put 5 grams of butter in this side and 5 grams butter on that side, and then spread thoroughly. Spread. 1 minute. 1 minute.
Yeah, okay.
So the butter is facing down,
Okay.
Butter facing down, and then time 1 minute, please.
Okay.
1 minute.
Okay.
1 minute. After 1 minute, all good. Then, yeah, if you want.
But the standard is only one side?
No, the spread. Same, you are putting 10 grams.
Okay.
Okay, show them. This is how we put, show them the ano. So this is how we put the turkey. 1, 2, 3. And then after that, you have to put the cheddar.